Hey there, folks. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to upload a video to Google Drive and share the link. Let's dive right in. Alright, first things first, open up Google Chrome on your computer. Once you're in Google Chrome, click on the Google Apps menu. Now, click on Drive to open up your Google Drive. Now tap on New. Then upload the video. Here's the video file I want to upload. Simply drag and drop it into Google Drive. And there you have it. The video has been uploaded successfully. Now, let's share the link to this video. Right-click on the video and select Share. Click on Copy Link to copy the shareable link to your clipboard. If you want to share the video via email, open Gmail and compose a new email. Paste the link into the email body. Enter the recipient's email address. Click Send, and you're done. And there you have it, folks. Uploading a video to Google Drive and sharing the link is as simple as that. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Have a great day.